Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Back here with Mike. It's been a couple weeks, I know, but we've got some exciting updates to share. Looks like we're gonna have a good Q4 at Marble. But first things first, Mike, how are you?
Very well, guys. Keeping busy, staying out of trouble. Not golfing enough, but business is good.
Last week, some crazy stuff. I mean, over the past week, we had elections, vaccine,
Yeah.
so a lot of things in the markets, but markets look like they're doing well. Talk to me about Marble. I've got a press release pulled up. Financial literacy education platform. Do you want to go into more detail on that? We'll kind of introduce it.
Sure. I think before, there was one before that with ScoreUp Pay As You Go, ScoreUp Lite.
Yeah.
I don't know if we've had an opportunity to talk about that. Again, we're broadening the funnel, allowing more people in to be able to utilize the software. It's a product, like we've stated many times, that I think everybody should access it. We've done it as a pay-as-you-go now. You can use your credit card if you want it for 1 month, 3 months, but I think it's something that everybody should go in there and see what's going on with their credit and see if they can monitor it and see if they can improve it with the prescription-based AI that ScoreUp offers. Especially during these times, credit's getting tight. People still need to move forward, and we're such a credit-based society. So that's been killing it on the subscription base, a lot of interest. And then as we come into November, which is, I think it's the 10th or 11th anniversary of the Financial Literacy Month, we launched Maestro, which is our e-learning platform. We started off with a freemium model. There are 25 different courses that are over. They're video courses. They offer a multitude of different video interactions where people can learn about different financial literacy courses, sign up for it, and bottom line is get themselves better in managing their financial wherewithal. If it's got to do with budgets, it's got to do with what does it mean when you get a line of credit? What effects does that have on you if you get a $5,000 line of credit and you use $1,000 of it, or you use $4,000 of it? Same thing with a credit card. You get a credit card with a limit of $10,000. That doesn't mean to go out and spend $10,000 on that credit card.
Free money's never free.
No, money's never free, and there are ramifications on the way that both Equifax and TransUnion use their algorithms to establish and post your credit score based on how you use your credit. And so these courses are all about user engagement. It's all about getting people on our platform. We opened up, first day we had 100 signups, and we had registrants, and they signed up for 300 courses. It's really going forward. And now we're starting, our industry partners are wanting to use the platform for their customers. So it's been a great month. We'll be on BTV and BNN next week talking about it and get a little bit of publicity. And you'll see also the launch of our Marble 2.0 next week. And things are going well.
Yeah, good little teaser. Curious for people that might be watching from a business standpoint, what's the goal from the education platform? Is it just to bring new users? Is it to get publicity about Marble? What's the big goal for you?
All of the above. It's a freemium model to engage for engagement. It's a user acquisition model for us to be able to introduce to them financial literacy, and then they can evaluate the different products that we offer to try to get them into one of our SaaS-based pay-as-you-go type of products. It's a player acquisition, it's a user acquisition type, but it also adds a lot of value added. It's good to have these products, but you need to understand how they work and what they do for you. And one of the biggest aspects of the financially underserved and the underbanked, which is a third of the Canadian population, is financial literacy. They just don't know what it means when they go on and they say, well, I've got a credit score of 650. What does that mean? Is that good? Is that bad? What can I do to improve it? What am I doing to make it worse? That's what it's all about. you know, it's like me giving you a set of golf clubs and putting you on a golf course and say, okay, go out and play golf.
Sink or
If you
swim.
don't know how the game is played and you've never had a lesson, you don't understand the concept around it, how can you expect to exceed at it?
Yeah. No, it's true. And you guys are giving them, the material, and hopefully, because hey, a lot of people, my age talk to, they're like, yeah, my credit score is, I don't know, 680. I don't know if that's good, bad. What can I do to improve it? What's hurting it? No one knows, right? It's like this
Yeah.
mystic number. And it's great that obviously, and you're already touching on it, the size of a credit card, if you were taking out a little loan, what are all these impacts on credit? And I think, little interesting behind the curtain look, obviously, for people that are looking to spend money, make a big purchase, like you say, house, car, you name it, cell phone, even, all these
Mhm.
things matter. And hey, watching some of these courses, hey, if at the end of the day it can save you a couple bucks, that's great too.
Well, to learn better how to utilize it, I would employ all of the people watching this video. Go to learn.mymarble.ca. That's where Maestro is, and have a look through it. I think it's got something to offer everyone with it. And with this month being Financial Literacy Month, we just want to do our part, and we're definitely gaining lots of traction from some of the larger industry partners that want to be part of what we're doing.
Cool. And you already touched on, a little Marble update. Looks like it's coming over the
Yeah.
next week or so. Do you want to give people a little teaser on what's coming with that update, or do we want to do that in a future
Sure.
video?
You know what? The My Marble 2.0, the platform, is going to be an engagement platform which will offer a multitude of products. And it is like going to the mall and picking and choosing what you want that's going to help you. Is it going to be ScoreUp Lite? Is it the Fast Track? Is it going to be the Credit Beacon? And it'll be a single login, single user base, which will not only give you the budget tools, it'll give you your credit score, it'll give you push notification for managing your payments. It's a probably more so from behind the scenes. It'll have developed an API which will be a white labeling opportunity for us to license the platform out to industry. It'll look like their product, but it's really all of our data and all of our back end, which will again increase the funnel of opportunity for Marble to get its products out on a broader and larger scale, which in turn should, all things being equal, generate a lot more revenue for us. Well, thanks for the time. Look forward to giving you guys more update as we roll out more products on the platform next week. And everybody be safe, be well, and happy Remembrance Day.